Every step of how US dollars are printed. Design preparation. Before any bill can be printed, its artwork must be finalized and approved. The design includes portraits, seals, serial number locations, security features, borders, fine line patterns, and anti-counterfeiting elements. Specialists carefully create and refine every detail so the finished note can be recognized instantly while remaining difficult to copy. Once approved, the design is converted into highly precise engraving and printing specifications. Plate engraving. Master engravers transfer the approved design onto steel plates using a combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. The engraved lines are cut with extreme precision because even tiny variations can affect the appearance and security of the note. These engraved plates become the foundation for producing printing plates used in large-scale manufacturing. Ink production. Specialized inks are prepared for currency printing. U.S. banknotes use unique ink formulations that differ from ordinary commercial printing inks. Certain inks are designed to provide durability, color consistency, and resistance to fading. Some denominations also use color-shifting inks that change appearance when viewed from different angles, adding an extra layer of security. Currency paper manufacturing. The paper used for U.S. currency is not ordinary paper. It is made from a special blend of cotton and linen fibers rather than wood pulp. During production, security features such as embedded security threads and watermarks are incorporated directly into the paper. The finished sheets are engineered to withstand years of handling while maintaining their distinctive feel. Paper inspection. Before printing begins, large sheets of currency paper are thoroughly examined. Inspectors and automated systems check for defects, contamination, fiber inconsistencies, and flaws in embedded security features. Sheets that do not meet strict standards are removed from production to ensure only high-quality material moves forward. Offset background printing. The first major printing operation applies subtle background colors and complex patterns to the currency sheets. This process uses offset printing technology to create the soft colors and intricate designs visible behind the main artwork. These backgrounds help improve appearance while making counterfeiting more difficult. The sheets are allowed to dry and are inspected before continuing. Intaglio front printing. The front side of the currency is printed using intaglio printing, one of the most distinctive stages of production. Ink is forced into engraved grooves on metal plates, and enormous pressure transfers the design onto the paper. This creates the raised texture that can be felt when touching genuine U.S. currency. Portraits, lettering, borders, and many detailed features are produced during this stage. Intaglio back printing. After the front has been printed and properly dried, the reverse side undergoes a similar intaglio process. The detailed artwork on the back of the note is transferred with the same precision and pressure. Maintaining exact alignment between front and back printing is critical because even slight shifts can result in defective notes. Overprinting and numbering. Additional printing operations add important variable information to each note. Serial numbers, Federal Reserve identifiers, Treasury seals, and other denomination-specific markings are applied. Every bill receives unique serial numbers that help distinguish it from every other note produced. This stage allows individual notes to be tracked and verified. Quality inspection. Every printed sheet is subjected to extensive inspection. Advanced cameras, sensors, and computerized systems scan for printing defects, color variations, alignment problems, smudges, missing features, or damaged paper. Human inspectors may also review samples and flagged sheets. Defective notes are removed and destroyed so they never enter circulation. Cutting and packaging. Once approved, large printed sheets containing multiple notes are cut into individual bills. Precision cutting equipment ensures uniform dimensions and clean edges. The finished notes are counted, sorted, stacked, and bundled according to denomination. Packaging procedures are carefully controlled to maintain accuracy and security. Federal Reserve distribution. The completed currency is delivered to Federal Reserve facilities for storage and distribution. From there, banks obtain the notes to meet public demand. The bills eventually enter circulation through financial institutions, ATMs, businesses, and cash transactions. At this point, the long manufacturing process is complete, and the currency begins its life in the economy. After passing through dozens of highly controlled stages, thousands of inspections, massive printing presses, and one of the most secure manufacturing processes in the world, the journey of a US dollar is finally complete. What began as cotton and linen fibers is now money, circulating through the economy, changing hands millions of times, and powering everyday life. If you made it this far, you now know more about how money is made than most people ever will. So the next time you hold a dollar bill, you'll know the incredible journey it took from cotton and linen fibers to one of the most carefully manufactured products on Earth. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe for more every step explained videos, and comment below with the next process you'd like to see broken down step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.